This is my review of the Gaia Herbs Bronchial Wellness Syrup. I use this when I have a cough and it has been so helpful. I love the fact that I'm not worried about what are in the ingredients. They're clean ingredients, fine and healthy for my body. And you just put it on a spoon, throw it back. It has like a sweet, strong flavor, but as is all cough syrup, but it's been really helpful when I have coughs, and I just have a glass of water next to me ready to take after to clear the taste out of my mouth. But it's not that strong, it's just mostly really sweet. So yeah, if you are looking for a cough syrup that helps, works, and is natural, I highly recommend this one by Gaia.